glad you're here. Guess what day it is? Oh my gosh, it's my favorite day of the week. It is Tiered Tray Tuesday. And in just a few minutes, I'm going to show you guys how I styled my tray of the week, which is in a home sweet home theme. So I'm so excited to give you guys a look at this cute little bundle that I put together. And I will see you in just a second. Okay, so who's ready to get your tiered tray on this week? So I'm just going to start out by putting a couple of pieces on there. I'm starting with our little books, and then I'm going to add in a cute little home sign. How cute is that? Now this sign can actually be customized in any color that you want. So another thing that I like to do is add like a little bit of wording to the sign. This one I just cut out on my Glowforge, and it just says welcome. Sometimes I play around with it to see the best way to put it on the sign. Don't worry about if it doesn't look okay in the beginning. Kind of what I did here, it kind of fell all over the place. But you can always at the end add this, so there's no really way to mess that up. Another thing I did was add in a cute little monogram and a cute little home that I got from a home wood blank that I got from Michael's. And then I went in and added some black and white buffalo check scrapbook paper too, and then we'll finish it up with a cute little home sweet home sign and a little milk jug. And then I like this little home sweet home leaner sign. There we go, we got a little tiered tray now. Okay, y'all, we have finished up this week's home sweet home tiered tray, and I think it turned out really cute. So in this tiered tray theme, home sweet home, we have the cute little home sweet home wreath sign. It's a shiplap sign because you know I'm all about some shiplap. The black farmhouse monogram, and then we also have the Faith Family Our Home books and the house home sign. So this house sign, you can actually get it done in any colors that you like. I just chose turquoise because it was my favorite. It's my favorite color of all time. So do me a huge favor, if you do not mind, drop a comment below and let me know what you guys want to see for the next Tiered Tuesday. So it could be anything. If you have a lemon theme, a summer theme, anything that you can think of that you want to see us come up with a tiered tray design for, drop it in the comments and I will be sure to read them and get back with you. And hopefully next week I'll pick one of your choices. So no matter where you're watching me on, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, make sure you do all the things and hit subscribe, follow me, like our page. Anytime you do that, that helps our small business get seen, and we certainly do appreciate that. All right, I am gonna go. See you later.